हे अभी ग्राउंड फर्स्ट आणि सेकंड.
पण ह्याच्यात त्याने हे दिलं असेल ना स्क्वेअर फीट.
Then we also have a home for the aged people. Aged, what happened is that again the women are left near the street, on the roadside, or they are left near the temples or mosque. So whatever, whenever we go around and we see such cases, we pick them up and we bring them to our home, clean them up, and they are with us. Okay, and I mean, what we are looking at is, to give them a decent life. Give them hot meals every day, give them a bed to sleep. This is the things that we are focusing. I can say the focus just now is to keep the body and soul together. Before the sunrise and before the sunset, all the time she's going to pray.
She will pray. Then she have to get the more money, so then she can help more people.
तर तुम्ही परताने केली
तिथं कुठं वाचलं चांगला.
अहो ते काय
And also, widows are counted or looked upon as a bad omen. So they don't like widows around, okay? Like, supposing if there is a naming ceremony or a wedding, they don't like to have a widow doing anything there, okay? She has to be always behind the screen, doing all the manual work, but never in front.
आणि लांब लांब आहे ना लंबा लंबा आहे ना.
She went for help to her mother when her husband died and she did not know what to do. She went back to the house to see what was happening, whether she can get any help. Then her mother, she said there was a river close by. Her mother said, it is better that you go and kill yourself in the river along with 2 children.
There are some educated women also who are yielding still to old mentality, like traditions. But there are others who are going beyond these traditions, breaking the traditions. They are being punished. They are paraded naked in the villages, and yet they have stood. But they have created a better awareness.
Very strong. Yeah. There was some political parties here. So the political parties, when they went, there's in India, there's a custom that they go from house to house canvassing for themselves. So when they went, some of these women said, oh, you political people, what do you do? Nothing. See that woman, though she's a stranger, she came and did so much work for us. She has started a kindergarten for us, and she has started self-help group for us, and she's helping us so much. What have you all done? So what he did was that to counteract, he put fear in them. She's a Christian. That's one of her ways of starting, to convert you all into Christianity. So the people got frightened. They are illiterate people. They are from the village. So what the people did was that to push me out after that. And that's what has happened. So it went on for some time, and whatever I was trying to tell, people were not believing. They even came to stop my work. Then we told them, I said, no, you can go and ask from the town planning office whether we are building a church, a home for the children. And I can say the more trouble I had from people outside, the more I prayed, asking God, show me what I should do. And that helped me a lot. It gave me a lot of inner strength to fight out with everything, and afterwards people saw that, we are doing so much of good. And now those same people, they call me to do all kinds of puja. Now I am called to make puja to the Ganesh, to any festival is there, they will call me.
there are signs of change. Women were passive. They thought like men are powerful, and women imagined they have to be submissive and dependent. Today it is no more that. Women are aware of their rights. They are aware that they are equal. So there is, you may call it a kind of, I don't say fight, but there's a deeper awareness, and they are fighting for their rights in different ways all over the world, even in the church.
I have a feeling that women can feel with the people. So if there is a female pope, it would be so different. The church would be entirely different, I feel. It would be so nice.
What would you do if you would be pope?
I would never sit there in Rome. One of the things. I'll never be in Rome. Of course, I'm not at all up there, I cannot. But I know I will not be there. I will be in the slums and in the village.